Hi guys! Today we're going to cook pancit guisado in liver chicken. This was requested by my Japanese friend. So favorite nila yung pancit guisado. So this is the ingredient. Carrots, chicken liver, chicken, bay leaf, onion, beans, garlic, black pepper, salt, oil, and soy sauce. And don't forget our cabbage and bihon noodles. So binabad ko na siya para lumambot na siya pagka salang. So let's start. So we're going to boil liver and chicken. So unahin natin yung chicken. So actually I use bay leaf for chicken. So yung first boil nito, hindi ko siya ginagamit kasi medyo ano siya, ma-cholesterol. So after first boil, I used to change water. Then I will put the liver. So you will just add black pepper and salt para maglasa yung chicken. And chicken cubes, Knorr chicken cubes. I use this one. Actually, I will use half only. So later kasi medyo tatapan ko yung first boil niya. So you can use this one in the second boil, but much better. So ako kasi either sa dalawa. So if you can see this one, makikita nyo yung bubbles niya. This is the cholesterol of the chicken. So meron kasi siyang skin. So I don't use this one. So in the second boil, pwede natin gamitin yung pinagkuluan niya. Yung chicken stock ng liver and chicken. So you need to boil this hard boiled. So guys, I just simmer it, this one, for 10 minutes, the first boil of chicken. So you don't need this water. So I'll change. So you can keep the bay leaf for another use for boiling liver and this chicken. So this is my style or version. So I use this one kasi I don't like cholesterol. So for the second boil, you can boil this liver together and another black pepper and salt, a little bit. And this nor cubes. I just make this one for 4 cups of water. So this boiled water from liver you can use for a sauce of bihon. This will be the bihon sauce. So this is the second boil. So we can wait another 10 minutes to 15 minutes. So we can simmer it for 15 minutes until the liver will cook. So I think this is okay. So you can take the liver and chicken. And then this chicken stock and liver, we need to use it for bihon sauce. Need to slice this liver to grind. So much better if grind siya. Hindi ba, hindi nila ginagrind, but for me, I don't want to eat this kind like this. So, I want this liver to be and for chicken, slice on. So, yung iba, hinihimay lang siya. Kaso mainit pa siya. It takes time. Okay, we don't need this bay leaf. So we're going for sautéing. So igigisa na natin siya. This one. So we needed oil. A little bit lang yung oil para hindi siya masyadong cholesterol. But usually, I use olive oil. And I don't use the first stock of the chicken. So, I boil it for the second. So, unahin natin yung onion. Basically, inuuna talaga nila yung garlic, but for me, onion. So next, garlic, and we're going to for low heat. We're going first for the carrots. So this is my cooking style. So You can try this one. And for carrots, you need half cook on. Hindi half. Hindi half. And the next is liver and chicken. So you need to make half cook for carrots or for all vegetable. And then the next one is beans. Then pepper. So for the next, you will get the second boil stock, chicken and liver. This will be the bihon sauce. So if you can see, pag nag-boil na siya once, we can add soy sauce. So you can add this one, half of this, then later para sa bihon. Then we will add another nor cubes. I don't use too much salt, so soy sauce nor cubes, but it's much better. So the first simmer, so finish natin. We need to transfer this one. So this is will be the sauce. And for another, let's go for bihon. So dapat yung bihon nyo, na-soak nyo na siya para medyo malambot na siya sa water. Will be the sauce. And I already soaked this bihon for almost 15 minutes to make it soft. You can see this one. So, syempre, dapat malinis yung kamay niyo. So, it will take 15 minutes para mag-spread yung bihon, to make it spread. So, we can put this chicken stock. So, medyo nag-spread na siya ng konti. We're going to add cabbage. For me, this is my style. So, if you want na medyo crunchy yung cabbage nyo, hindi ko siya sinasama dun sa stock ng chicken. So, I use this one. And you can add again black pepper So, low heat lang tayo. So, you can add again black pepper. And the last stock. And the soy sauce. So, tatansuin na lang natin yung lasa. So, we can add the half of this. So, it looks good na. And fresh yung cabbage niya. Usually, they add during na niluluto yung carrots, beans. But, this is my another way para mas crunchy yung cabbage niya. So, madali lang din kasi siyang lumambot. So, crunchy siya pag ginigisa lang. Perfect yung bihon. So guys, don't forget to try this one. This is my pancit guisado version. So I will serve it. So, this is my special Bihon Guisado. So, I hope you like it. And I hope na makaluto rin kayo. Thank you for watching.